Hey guys, welcome to the Saigamiproject. My name is Andrea Otilia Vörös, aka Sunny, and I'm the creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the world's most diverse manga anthology. In this video, I want to talk about a new type of video content that I want to create for you guys because, my followership is growing both on YouTube, Instagram, other social media. So lately I've been receiving a bunch of messages from you guys asking for opinion, review, feedback on your content, or you guys just keep tagging me in different artworks that basically have nothing to do with me. I understand when you're tagging me in fan arts, and that's something I absolutely appreciate and keep them coming. But when you just tag me in a random image, I don't know what to do with it. I mean, I get it that it's a call for attention, but at the same time you have to understand that I have my duties. I'm working as an artist full-time, so I'm juggling around a lot of freelancing next to Saturday AM. I have a book to finish, so I just don't have the time to give everyone feedback, to give everyone review, especially when it's artwork I have no idea about. And not to mention, I recently been tagged in a bunch of weird stuff, so please guys, don't tag me in your lunch. I don't care, sorry. I'm not your buddy. I'm happy to give you advice through this channel or through Patreon, where I have personal coaching, but at the same time you have to respect me as an artist, that I'm not just your buddy online. So, but at the same time I understand why many of the young aspiring artists are looking for feedback or are trying to reach out to artists who are already established artists, who are already published, like myself or the fellow Saturday AM creators. So I want to suggest an alternative where I will be having basically review videos for your artworks, like critic videos, not just review. Yeah, I guess I can call it review. It doesn't really matter. So basically, what you will have to do, you will submit your artwork, just one artwork. I won't be able to read a complete story. I won't be able to read all of your character OCs and everything, description. Nothing. I'm only gonna be focusing on artwork because if you have a story idea, you can just submit those to Saturday AM pitch sessions, which are a thing. But at the same time, I just don't have the time to just review everything for everyone. So, on this channel we already have 12,000 subscribers, which is amazing, and I'm super happy. But just imagine that even if just half of these 12,000 people are sending in their story ideas, that's just an immense amount of time and effort, and I'm a comic artist. I need to focus on my work. So here is this alternative where you will be able to send in an artwork you want me to review, and I will have these review videos where I will be picking a few of the submitted artworks. Once again, I won't be having the time to review everything because I expect there will be a lot coming in, so I will choose a few. So you will have a chance just like everyone else. It probably will be a random picker to make sure everyone has the same chances to get in, so I'm not gonna be playing favorites here. And with the few selected artworks, I'm gonna create a video where I will give you an in-depth feedback, but at the same time it won't be just a feedback for you, but I will basically have a lesson where I will be showing what could be improved, how you can make adjustments. Like basically I can even draw over your artwork where, for example, if you have some proportions off, then I can show how the proportions can be corrected. So you will be able to receive feedback, but at the same time everyone else will be able to learn how to correct mistakes and how to make things better if the artwork needs improvement. So this is the plan. And I'm actually looking forward to this because I know that everyone wants to receive feedback, and it is very hard to receive quality feedback that is a constructive criticism. This is a very hard word. I know that I used to be like that when I was just starting out, that I was eager to get more feedback, and nowadays on the internet it's easier to get feedback, but at the same time it won't necessarily be something you can build up on, and it can be very bothersome to just receive random hey give me feedback, hey give me feedback, and I'm like, nope, sorry, I don't have the time for that. So I think this is somewhat of a middle ground, because you will receive feedback from me, you will receive learning material, but at the same time it won't take all of my time away from comic creation. So I hope this is something that you are also thinking is a good idea and you look forward to it. But yeah, most importantly, it is something that could be fun on this channel, because right now I'm in the phase where I'm still searching my path with this channel, because yeah, I would like to make changes. You could see that I had quite a few experimental videos, and my goal is to have this channel as a secondary outreach, because my main focus is comics and I will always focus on my comic creation, because I'm a comic artist and I'm not a YouTube entertainer. And I want all of my YouTube videos to tie into my comic creation and allow me to work on my comics the fullest, but at the same time still providing content for you that can be useful, that can be a learning material, that can inspire you guys, give you feedback. But not just necessary tutorials, because you know tutorials have been done, so I was kind of late for the bandwagon. That doesn't mean I won't make tutorials, but I want to focus more on this kind of interactive contents in the future. So without further ado, what you need to do to submit your artwork? Well, first of all, please subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet, because otherwise, you know, you won't know when I upload a video that might have your artwork. So please be a subscriber to the channel. You might also hit that notification bell, because we know that YouTube keeps changing around things, so you can get notified. And secondly, go to my homepage, which is on Saturday AM official homepage. It's www.saturday-am.com/saigami. You can also find the links below in the video description or in my profile, or it's basically everywhere in my social media accounts. So if you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, it will have my link tree, which will have all of my links. So go to my homepage, where you will find a button that will say submit art for review. And if you hit this button, then it will bring you to a Google form, where you will have to answer a few questions. It's like 6 questions, like, you know, just general stuff, you know, how old are you, and how can I refer to you in the video, your nickname, are you a boy or a girl, or anything else as you identify, as to make sure that when I'm doing the video I can refer to you properly. And you will have to submit a link to your artwork, just one link to one single artwork. Once again, I can't review a complete portfolio, I can't review comics, I can't review just ideas. Give me an artwork, give me your best or your worst, it's your call. Give me the artwork that you want to show me the most and you want to receive feedback on. So, you know, it can be anything. It can be a character design, it can be a complete composition. It's basically your call. You know the best in which you want to receive the feedback from me. So submit this through this form, and I will choose a few for my next video, and I will be working on this. I might notify the people who got in to the video, but you know, that once again is something that will take time, so I would just recommend to just keep an eye out for my videos. I plan to do these videos possibly on a monthly basis if they are well received with you guys. And you know, maybe if I receive that many content and you feel like this is something fun you want to see more of, then I might turn it into a bi-weekly video series next to my other videos. So once again, this is just a test phase, this is the first, this is just for the submission, so that's why I don't have anything fancy to show you right now. It's just me sitting in front of the camera, and hopefully I'm not talking too awkwardly. But anyway, this is the saigamiproject channel, just reforming into its brand new format. So yeah, this will be a new type of content. So once again, be a subscriber to this channel, then go to Saturday AM homepage. You can follow the link, which will be somewhere, it's down below. Yeah, it's down below. So yeah, fill out the form, fill out all the necessary questions, make sure you read everything properly. Because, you know, if you mess up the link, if you're sending me to an Instagram profile that's private, I won't be able to see it, and I won't send you a friend request, because that's not how it works. It's yeah, I don't have the time to do that. So yeah, just follow the instructions and make sure that you submit everything properly. And fingers crossed, I will choose you for my next review video. So once again, you can find all of the links everywhere, basically, no matter where you go, you will find my links. And I would like to thank everyone who supported me by getting my books, Saigami Volume 1 and Volume 2, with the perfect edition and the third volume already on the way, or subscribe to Saturday AM. If you subscribe directly to my link, you also support me directly, because I will receive a chunk of the subscription fee. And don't forget, you can support me via Patreon, where you can get a bunch of exclusive stuff, like exclusive commissions, video content, early video access, exclusive artwork, sketches, behind the scene content, and even personal tutoring if you want more in-depth feedback and face-to-face communication with me. You can get all that via Patreon. I also would like to thank my supporters on Patreon. Thank you very much, you guys are awesome. And yeah, this is it for this video. Not my finest, but you know, it's an informative video. So once again, all of the links below: Saturday AM, books, Patreon, other social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it. And yeah. And don't forget to submit your artworks. I'm looking forward to receiving them. I'm not setting a deadline because this will be a continuing thing, but you know, everything I receive until I start working on the first video is basically that, and from there on you can submit more content. So yeah, I'm looking forward to receiving your artworks, and I see you soon in my next video.